A kiss for $2? It's a pretty good way to make some money.
Oh.
But you can't choose your clients. Real fans always have a poster of their idol in their rooms. Mary, Megan, and Erica are no exception. The good news is, their favorite star is on her way to their town to play a concert. But the girls are broke. All they can do is watch her videos on YouTube. And dream that someday they'll get to see a real concert. No, girls, we can't do that. We have to follow our dreams. Can't we find the money? Let's see what we have got. Not much. Barely enough for a popsicle outside of the concert venue. We need a startup idea. All right, let's get rich. We already have a couple of interesting ideas. What if you tried being a psychic? Love predictions for cash. Isn't that a great startup idea? Magic, rituals, fortune telling. I think we picked a great idea. Bright makeup and a beautiful crystal ball. The secret to success is teamwork. Erica talks to the visitors. And Mary shares clues into her headphone. We have to hurry. The first customer is on the doorstep. This cute girl wants to know if she has a future with this guy. Erica starts working. And the girls are doing pretty well. Erica pretends to be catching psychic waves. Let me see what your heart wants. And Mary is studying social media. Do you copy? He liked her picture, which means there's a chance. You just have to tell the trusting client that you see a wedding and a couple of cute kids. People are so eager to believe what they want to hear. And Megan has a different approach. She decided to make money from her art. A portrait for $1 is a very good deal. But first, you need to excite your target audience. The girls developed a whole promotional campaign. Erica is playing the role of a fake client who loved her portrait so much. She is setting a great example for people passing by. And once the first real client comes, you can create. Hopefully the client likes the result. But Megan hasn't graduated from art school yet. So it takes too long to make a portrait. And it didn't come out nice either. But she still got the money. Well, what did you expect for $1? The friends are celebrating their first profit. Only it doesn't seem like they will get many customers. How's this for a startup? Providing a lawn care service. That doesn't seem hard at all. Mowing the grass, trimming hedges. Megan and Mary will definitely be able to handle it. But the customers may vary. Mow the lawn, but don't you dare touch the daisies. The customer is always right. Time to get to work. Looks like Mary has nothing to do here. Megan's doing great without her. But the girls relaxed too early. Whoops! Oh no! We destroyed the client's favorite flowers. We need to come up with something now. Right, just plant the flowers right back. And then take the money from this rich man and go home. Hopefully he doesn't notice anything. The customer is happy with the lawn mowing. We'll see what he'll say when his flower bed starts to wither. No, landscape design is clearly not their thing. You need to think big to make money. Open a tattoo parlor. That's pretty brave. But why do you need 3 artists? You'll see. Here comes the first client. And he knows exactly what he wants. That's a great sketch. Except the friends are being a little tricky. Instead of a real tattoo, it's temporary. While Erica's dealing with the sticker, Mary's making noise with her tattoo machine, and Megan is putting on a whole show. Magic tricks to distract the client. Smart! To be more convincing, you have to poke the client with skewers so it feels real. Everybody is happy, both the client and the young entrepreneurs.
Wow.
And the payment for the service is non-refundable. Time to get serious. Let's open a beauty salon that specializes in removing pimples. We have what we need: gloves, a sign. And we'll deal with our lack of knowledge as we go. Here comes the first pimple client. Oh, you must have the wrong door. Oh, he has some money. That's different. Dear guest, welcome. Just get a tool and you are good to go. It's a hard job, but you do anything for a dream. Even turn someone like him into a prince. But it's not going so well. New pimples are filling his face at the speed of light. Nothing can help him anymore. Are you sure it's not contagious? The girls definitely don't like this startup idea. A garage sale is what they need. Clear out your wardrobe and make some money at the same time. Every buyer is welcome here. Ew, what's this? But I think I'll take this dress. Looks like the business is booming. These shoes will match your dress perfectly. Awesome! One more sale. Everyone will find something here. See? There's a client for every little thing. One man's trash is another man's treasure. Oh, it's that guy with pimples again. There is definitely nothing for you here. And this is definitely not your size. But a couple of big bills will melt any heart. Why don't you take these glasses? Pink? My favorite color. We all had a good time, and we even made some good money. Oh, what a mess. This room needs urgent cleaning. But it's a good thing this old lady has helpers. They'll clean this place up for a modest fee. Megan and Erica's cleaning company is on the case. It's a lot of work. And the old lady keeps throwing in extra assignments. What a problematic client. In a couple hours, it's clean. Nice work. But Grandma's not going to stop. Why is she so mean? And when it's time to pay for the job, things get even worse. Where's the trash coming from? We just cleaned up. I don't know. I won't pay full price for such a bad job. What? A few coins for half a day's work? We are going to have to cancel this startup. But you can always work in advertising. It's an easy outdoor job. What else could you want? But first, you have to spend all day putting up your own ads for your own services. That's a weird idea. Maybe you should have searched for customers on the internet? And Mary has her own startup, looking after other people's kids for money. She decided to become a babysitter. There are plenty of customers, and so many children. Mary wanted to start with one child since she has no experience. But she really needs the money. Mary is super enthusiastic. Want to read a book? Nah, that's boring. These kids aren't interested in fairy tales. Give them makeup. Whoops! My favorite brushes! Come on, be careful! While Mary's crying over her brushes, her glasses and lipstick get carried away. Oh no! This is super resistant lipstick! It's a nightmare! As soon as you turn your back, they ruin something! This doesn't look like the perfect day for our nanny. No! Another child! I can't wait for this day to end! The moment of truth. It's time to count up our earnings. How much did we make on these crazy startups? How much? It's still not enough. Oh, we also have those coins from that old lady. Okay, now there is exactly enough for 3 tickets. Yay! Our dream is coming true! Get ready, Billy! We are on our way! Woohoo! We are having a blast! Wow, I almost touched the star! The girls would come up with 100 new startups for this moment. Did you like our startup ideas? Who would you love to see in concert? Tell us about it in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss more ideas on how to make money on Troom Select.